Once again, we are factoring polynomials of a higher degree. And if you're going to use synthetic division, one of the things you have to do first is you have to find all of the possible factors for an equation. This is about finding those factors. So here's an equation, x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 8. Now I want to know what are the possible factors for this equation. So what I need to do is I need to look at two coefficients. I have to look at whatever coefficient is in front of this x, which happens to be a 1, and the one at the very end, which is an 8. These ones in the middle don't matter. I can ignore them because I am not using them. Now the 1, that's easy. We don't even need to do anything with it. But since this was an 8, we do have to do something with that. So what I need to do as I look at it, 8. What are the possible factors of 8? Well, I have 1 times 8, 2 times 4, that's my 8. So my possible factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. All right. So I can use that 1, 2, 4, and 8 to find the possible factors of this entire equation. Changing pen color again, do this one in blue. My possible factors of x cubed minus 6x plus 12x minus 8 are going to be x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 4, and x minus 4. I took each of these and I did a plus and minus version of it. Oh, and it looks like I missed a couple. I should have x plus 8, x minus 8. Now if I were solving that equation, I would need to try each one of those until I found all the factors of my equation. Now it gets a little more tricky when you have a question like this that has a coefficient in the front and a coefficient in the back. So I'm going to find my factors here. Factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, and 6. And I need to start coming up with all the possible factors of this equation. Well, because I have a coefficient on the first one, my possibilities, I'm going to have either x in the beginning, 2x, or 4x. And I'm also going to have all of these. So it's going to be x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 6, x minus 6. That's just like we did last time. But now I also have to do it with my 2x. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 2, 2x minus 2, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. And I'm also going to do the same thing with my 4x. Yes, I know I didn't finish them all in. Give me a moment. 4x minus 1, 4x plus 2, 4x minus 2. And through the magic of computers, all of that stuff magically appears. Now, that's a lot of factors. But I don't have to do all of those factors. Some of them I can skip. Anything that I can factor something out of the first and second part of it. Like this one. 2x plus 2. I can factor a 2 out of both of them, which really makes it, if I take a 2 out of both of them, it turns it into x plus 1. And I've already got x plus 1 on there. So I'm going to cross that. I'm not even going to bother doing it. I'm going to take any one I can factor something out of the beginning and the end, and I'm going to cross them out. And I'm not even going to bother because they're already covered. And there's all my factors that I'm